Anong kinakain? Marcus! Bulaga! Paano yung pa-cute? Marcus! Pa-cute? Beautiful eyes! Beautiful eyes! Beautiful eyes! Beautiful eyes daw, Marcus. Pa-cute! Ay, ang cute pala niyan! Ay, ang pogi! Pa-cute! Anong pengi naman ang kinakain niyan? Pengi. Pag maingay. Shh! Shh! Paano yung singa? Singa daw, singa. Ay, very good. Asan ang pangong ilong? Asan ang ilong? Asan yung teeth mo? Asan yung ipin? Asan yung teeth? Marcus. Marcus, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth daw. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Asan ba yung teeth mo? Asan yung teeth? Pati nga ng teeth mo, Marcus. Ayaw. Brush your teeth daw. Ayaw. 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 Clap your hands. Many, many times. Clap your hands daw, anak. Times. Clap your hands. Many, many times. Paano yung pa-cute?